2013 Impreza 2.0 wagon. Replaces the right side tail light. Take these two 10s out. There's number 10s. Don't drop them like I do. And then you can probably just, this one came out easy. And look guys, someone's missing one of these. This is broken here. This looks like it's been replaced once. But I'm just showing you guys how to do it so you can do it to yours. Try not to break these, you break them. I would suggest buying that for the customer because it's gonna just water's gonna leak down through there and underneath the car. You unplug it by pushing this button here and it's stuck in there. Sometimes a little bit of dirt. There you go. Pull that out, put the new tail light in, make sure it clips in, and make sure you go back in the same way. This thing and this guy and this nub supposed to go into here. This one's broken. Slide it in. You can feel this part catching. That's how you want it to do. And hell, look at this is even broken. I got the customer that this is broken. He's gonna be upset, but perfect. That's how you replace this tail light. And I'm gonna tell the customer about the tail light. Maybe we'll replace it again. But that's about all you have to do to press the tail lights on these cars.